Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can insert the SIM card to Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. In order to do that, of course, we need to use the pin that is included inside the box of the device. And now we need to rotate our smartphone to the left side, where we will find our SIM slot over here. We need to put the pin inside this hole, so let's do that. And then you want to push it a little bit until this part comes out. Then you need to use your fingers in order to take it out completely. Now over here we will find the SIM card slot, and of course at the back we also have the slot for the SIM card or the micro SD card. So let's use the first slot. Let's put inside the SIM card, try to match the layout, and it should go in really easily. And then put it back in. If it doesn't want to go in, then try to rotate it, because you might just try to put it back the wrong way. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.